Imagine if you could control the world's favorite balancing robot with a few lines of code. Introducing CoderMip, the robot who can become anyone you want him to be. With your programming powers, he can become a crazy mad scientist, an English tea butler,
ooh, the cookies,
the ultimate wingman, Picasso's protege, or simply just an extra set of hands. CoderMip will become one of your favorite sidekicks. Loved by the entire family. Meet the new CoderMip, the amazing programmable robot. Brought to you by Wowie.
What's that? It's a puzzle. Cool. Would you like to play? Yeah. This should be... Yes. Okay. What are you guys doing? Oh, we're doing a puzzle. Oh, yeah! Let's play this, guys. Okay. Yeah. Red team, let's get it ready.
Hi, welcome to Power Up 3, the world's first smartphone-controlled paper airplane. In order to fly Power Up like a professional pilot, you'll need some guidance and initial setup instructions. With the right patience, you'll soon turn your paper airplane into a lean, mean flying machine. Before you start flying, choose the right location and the right date. Found them? Now you can start unboxing. Carefully turn open the rotating tabs that are affixed to the plastic base. After unboxing, keep all the materials together by using the Power Up packaging as storage and a carrying case.
Hi there, it's Sarah, your Seedling Play Specialist, and today we're going to be taking the mystery out of one of our most popular activity kits, Design Your Own Superhero Cape. So let's crack this open and see what's inside. The first thing we have is what will be the blank canvas for your unique project, the blue superhero cape. But before they get started on the cape, they're going to want to sketch out some ideas. So for that, we have our design sheet and a bunch of colored pencils. So after they're done with their really cool design, we're going to want to get started on the project. The first thing we have here is some pre-cut stars, but also blank sheets of both felt and foam, so you can help them cut out any shape that they want for their cape. Next, we have our tools to add those pieces to the cape. So we have craft glue and a brush. All of our kits come with all of the tools that you need to put together your activity. Then next, we have a bunch of different colors of glitter glue to add a colorful pop of sparkle to the cape. And lastly, we have some instructions with some tips for design. But do remember that there's no correct way to put this cape together. At Seedling, we believe that your child's ideas are much better than ours. So all of our kits are created to inspire the creativity of your little one and inspire open-ended play. Now let me show you a few ways that this can come together. We hope you've enjoyed learning about our Design Your Own Superhero Cape. If you're interested in more superhero-related products, check out our Design Your Own Superhero Mask as well. Thanks for stopping by.